Hello guys, it's a new week and it is a beautiful Monday morning, guys, and you know what that means already. On a day like this, we usually have trend for the week, okay? So we'll be looking at the trend for the week for boom and crash, and that is what we'll be checking out in today's video. And I'm very sure you guys are already waiting for this, and we'll be going straight into it without wasting our time, okay? You know what that trend you know what it means, guys. It means that we will be checking the trend, the direction of the market for each of these assets, just to know what we should look out for whenever we are trading in this week, guys. So this is going to be amazing. Stay tuned and watch this video to the very end so that you will know what to look out for in your trading activities throughout this week. But before going fully into it, if you are just joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, okay, more especially within the Forex niche. All you just need to do is just to go through my videos, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you understand every strategy is highlighted there, and also make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you go or you try it out on your real account. That is very, very important. In short, that is our tradition here. If you want to be successful just the way we have been doing, then you need to follow the simple steps highlighted in our videos, okay? And one of the most important rules we obey is we practicing to perfect our skill first on the demo account, okay? I keep on saying on the demo account because most of you wants to practice with your real account. It's not done that way, okay? The purpose of the demo account is for you to practice with it. So practice with your demo account first before you try it out on your real account. If you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot because I've got lots and lots of training videos loaded every day, and also I've got some other interesting topics that I usually discuss about trading, okay? So you guys would love to have you wouldn't want to miss any of these topics so that you will be able to equip yourself in such a way that you will be able to milk the market successfully, okay? So all you just need to do is just to check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it and turn it on to all notification. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this, okay? So let's quickly go straight into what we have for today, okay? I decided to come up with this after going through series of my $500 per day trading tips, which have been helping a lot of people to milk the market successfully. And I saw the result, the positive results that are coming out from my subscribers. So I was like, okay, what if I come up with trend for the week that will also guide them throughout the week and also make some money within the market, okay? And I tried it out last week and it worked, guys. It worked. So I will continue from there. Today's one is going to be volume 2, okay? It's going to be volume 2, trend for the week volume 2. So we'll be observing trend for the week for boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, and crash 500, since these are the assets that newbies love trading most. So let's go straight into the video right away, okay? So we'll be checking out the charts one after the other. We're starting with boom 1000. So let's go straight to boom 1000, and for us to know the trend for the week, we will be looking at the higher time frame. Either we look at H4 or we look at day 1. Of course, I will be taking it down to day 1 just for us to see what is happening in the week, okay? So that we can take advantage of it whenever we are trading. Don't mind me, I would love to reduce the trend lines I have on the charts, just to make it a little bit okay for every one of us so that we can see what we are doing right here. Okay, so okay guys, I believe this is cool enough. Okay, as you can see, um like I said in my last video, that Boom 1000 started a new trend last week, which was an uptrend. It was on a downtrend for several weeks. You can see it ended right here, and it has started a new trend again. And this is the new trend. It's going to be mostly uptrend, guys. It's going to be mostly uptrend. So this will go for a very long time. Okay, so this week we are still continuing from there, most especially since it is just coming up from from a major support level. Then definitely we should be looking at it getting to this resistance level before there will be any pullback. That is, if it does not break it. And of course, you can see it has tested it right here, and it also tested it right here. When it tested it right here, you can see how I took advantage of it. Okay, when you know the direction of the market, you will be able to take advantage of that direction at that particular time. You can see all the orders which I have placed when the market was going in that direction. This has been my major secret for a very long time, and it has been a major way of milking the market successfully, so you too can tap into that. Okay, that is why I'm actually coming up with this part of the channel. Okay, so this is it for today. The Boom 1000 is creating a bullish candle at the moment. I'm trying to zoom it out so that you will understand, you will see what I'm trying to show. You can see this is a bullish candle, even though you can see here it created a bearish candle because it has gotten there, which is a very small resistance level, so it is trying to pull back a bit. But if it breaks out from there, then it should be getting to this resistance level. Once it gets there, of course I expect it to stay out of the market, except if it breaks it successfully. So for now, it is still going to go with the bullish trend. Okay, so the trend for the week will be more of uptrend than downtrend. Okay, uptrend than downtrend. Okay, because it is going to be more of uptrend does not mean there won't be any pullback at all. You can see it right here that it went up to this level and it pulled back again, then went up again and it pulled back again. This time around it is still going up. Okay, so you should always watch out for that. Okay, so that you will understand the way it works. And for today, you can see that it is more of bullish candle than a bearish candle. Okay, so you can see that it is creating a bullish candle. This is the one, which means that this candle is going to be for today. Okay, is for today. So that is just it. So that is how it works, guys. That is how it works. Let's check out the next asset, which is Boom 500. Boom 500. So I'm going to take it down to daily time frame. Okay, let me take it down to the one. Okay, this is Boom 500. So let me also try and reduce the indicate the trend line on it, so that we will get to see what we are doing very well. Okay, not going to take our time. Good. Okay, I think it is better this way. Let me delete this too. Okay, don't mind me. Okay, good. As we can see, this has been on a very long downtrend, like I have discussed last week. It has been on a very long downtrend. There are so many pullbacks in between, but it keeps on going down and down and down and down. Okay, so that is it. But right here, it started a new uptrend. Like I told you, it will always find difficult to break out from these 4 MA candles, and of course, you can see that. Okay, it went up and came down again to that same support level. So very soon it will be giving us a buy arrow again, which means that it will be going up and try to break out from this 4MA candles, but it is most likely to have a pushback again. Then the third attempt will break out from there totally, and we will see how far it will go. But it is just starting its uptrend, so it is also going to be an uptrend, but watch out for the 4MA candles. And of course, before you follow the uptrend signal, okay, wait for the signal on the main chart. Okay, you can see that the signal is yet to come out, and it has already gotten to this same support level. So the signal should be coming out any moment from now, so that you can take advantage of that. Okay, so it is going to go going to be more of uptrend than downtrend, more of uptrend than downtrend, except if it gets to this 4MA candles and it is unable to break it. That is when it will come down again. So that is why you should always check out your chart each time you are trading. But of course, at the moment it is at this support level at the moment. Okay, so it should be going back up again, trying to break out from this resistance level. If it is unable to break it, then it will come down again. So that is it. But for today, it is still creating a bearish candle. Maybe later on in the day it will turn out to be a bullish candle. Okay, but for right now it is still creating a bearish candle. So that is that. Let's check out the next asset, which is crash 1000. For crash 1000, okay, let me take it to crash 1000. But before going fully into the analysis, okay, let me take it to day one first. Before going into the analysis, I would like to let you know that this is coming to you courtesy Qora Data Cash. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right now. Let me quickly reduce the trend lines I have on the charts. Don't mind me, I always do my analysis in order to take advantage of the market, guys, in order to take advantage of the market, so that I can have some money. Okay, it is always good when you make money, guys, and you don't just make money, always withdraw for yourself. Okay, so right now this is what they call crash 1000, and of course crash 1000 is a bounce to favor those that love buying. Okay, I'm going to show you the reason. Check it out right here. It started the resistance, it started the downtrend from this resistance level. I'll be a little delayed around here, but still went down. It was a very long trading opportunity for those that love trading the spikes in crash. Okay, but it ended right here. But check out here, the market was consolidating around there, and each time it is trying to test the resistance level, the 4MA candles is narrowing down to the price action, okay, which is forming a support level around here. Okay, so it is narrowing down to that support level, which means that it will be breaking out from that 4MA candles very soon and make another attempt on this resistance level, which is very weak. So it is most likely for it to break out from this resistance level, and once it breaks out from there, then definitely we should experience an uptrend, okay, at least to this resistance level before there will be any pullback. Okay, so we should be preparing for an uptrend around there, but I will advise you for you to wait for the breakouts before you jump into the trade fully, because it will have to break out from here before the uptrend will continue fully. Okay, but right now it is creating a bearish candle but preparing to go into an uptrend. So the trend for the week is going to be an uptrend, but it might not start today, probably tomorrow. Okay, for crash 1000 it might not start today, probably tomorrow, because already it is still creating a bearish candle, and it will continue creating until it gets fully to this support level, which will come up with a buy order, and at that point it will be going back up and we try to break out from the 4 MA candles, which I believe it will break out from it successfully this time around, and we will now have to face this resistance level, which is also very weak. Okay, so that is it. So let's check out crash 500. Crash 500 is our last asset, guys. So crash 500, I'm going to take it down to day one. So I'm going to reduce the the trend indicators, I mean the trend lines, okay, that are on the chart. Let me reduce them a bit so that we get to see what we are analyzing. Okay, wow, I've got a number of them on this chart, so don't worry, I'm not going to waste the time. Okay, I think we are good to go right now. So I'm going to take it backward a bit so that we get to see it properly. Okay, this is it, guys. This is it. Crash 500 is also giving us an opportunity to buy. Okay, but it is not going to start at the moment. As you can see right here, it started the downtrend. There was a pullback here and here, but this resistance is strong enough to direct them down again. Okay, but the trend ended here. Okay, and it is going to start a new uptrend, but at the moment it is still forming a bearish candle. Okay, so before the trend will start fully, it will have to break this 4 MA candles before it will start fully. Okay, so it is going to be a bullish trend this week, but it might take a few days before it turned out into that. Okay, probably within the first 2 days, that is Monday and Tuesday, will be a downtrend. Okay, but later on it will go into uptrend. Okay, so later on it will go into uptrend, but excuse me, you will have to wait for it to break out from there before you go there into it totally. So wait for the breakout. Okay, wait for the breakout. At the moment it is still selling. At the moment it is still selling. So let me put that so that you will understand. At the moment it is still selling, but it's not going to sell for long. It might sell for a day or two before it will go into the uptrend totally. So you guys should take note of that. You guys should take note of that. So guys, that is how it's going to go for this week. That is how it's going to go for this week. Make sure you are well guided whenever you are trading. Okay, more especially those ones that are just going into a new trend. You don't just jump into it, because that might take a few days before it goes straight into the new trend. Okay, and even if it goes into the new trend, it will take a few days before it breaks out from the from the main resistance level, in order for it to launch fully into the new trend. Okay, so all these are very, very important. So make sure you are well guided. If you have any question, you can always ask me. Okay, you can always ask me. I'll always be there to reply you. Okay, no matter the time you are sending the question, I'll always be there to answer you, so that you will be well guided and make some money for yourself. Okay, so that is it. And I'll remember, we will also continue with the episode of trend for the week, for the day. Okay, but $500 trading tips for the day. Okay, we will also continue with that, so that you guys will understand how to trade successfully and be well guided while trying to place your order. So that is also very, very important. So you can join me later in the day in order to go into to analyze the market together, so that you can know what to look out for whenever you are trading today. And also quickly, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.